Not the best lighting, but it is. Before I put all of the Waterbird's food on the ground right there, before I do that, and they're enjoying themselves, I'll put some over here as well. That way, if the geese come, they're somewhat spread out. They don't fight over piles of food as usual. Oh. See? I knew the geese would come eventually. They always do. Have my stuff out here. They're enjoying themselves as per usual. More geese. They're enjoying themselves, the healthy duck feed. Healthy. Good for them. They are eating their share. Mine out here. It feels nice without the jacket. But, yeah, they're doing what they normally do. Gosh gracious. Some people over there. A couple, it looks like. I'm normally just here reading alone. A few people, but not too many. Alango. I moved back over there just in case they were going to come by the ducks and stuff. They're doing their thing. They're not coming over. Huh. Mr. Broken Winged Duck definitely needs something nutritious to help with his wing. I'm just squatting right here. Do not mind me. Oh, hi. And look who's coming. It's the ducklings. Here they come. The ducklings are. Oh, look at my ass. That's how you know I don't care.